étudiantes et étudiants béninois, madame et messieurs les communicateurs, bienvenue à la résidence du Bénin. La tenue du forum de ce jour est comme un rêve devenu réalité. C'est le fruit d'une intense réflexion. Merci à vous, les formateurs, vous qui avez aidé à formuler les thèmes et sous-thèmes de ce sujet d'actualité mondiale et avez accepté de partager vos expériences et connaissances avec la jeune génération. Merci également à vous, étudiantes et étudiants béninois, plein d'avenir, qui avez bien voulu consacrer votre précieux week-end pascal pour cet exercice en venant si nombreux et de si loin. Merci enfin à la petite équipe de coordination, je vais dire Pérer, Tosso, Jerry Auguin, naturellement les professeurs Pierre Yorokou et également Monsieur Alphonse Kouagou de IMF World Bank qui n'est pas ici avec nous aujourd'hui, mais qui a beaucoup contribué à préparer ce programme avec nous. Jenny Marcide également qui est là et qui a été d'un secours inestimable pour mettre les idées en ordre. À vous tous, je veux dire merci. Merci également à ma famille qui a contribué à mettre en place la logistique pour la tenue de ce forum. Au nom de cette équipe-là, je vous dis welcome to Washington, D.C. The topic of the forum, as you all know, is preparing and equipping the future leaders of Benin. As stated in the forum concept paper you all received, I guess, the development of a country depends largely on the leadership at every level, whether in the government, in the private sector, or in the civil society of the nation. In my opinion, as future leaders of the world, of the continent, of our nation, young and brilliant students like you need, at this crucial time, guidance and mentorship in preparing to achieve your full potentials in the society. The question, therefore, is how do we help provide navigational tools for those of you seeking an enlightened sense of value coupled with the courage and decisive action. In recognition or in recognizing the myriad of problems of contemporary leadership, especially in Africa, how can we prepare and equip future leaders that will be responsible for shaping the destiny of their country? That should be our main concern. It is my fervent hope that this forum will help acknowledge the leadership challenges of African nations and discuss how young leaders could help solve these problems by acquiring an ethical anchor, the clarity of vision, the necessary integrity, the appropriate character and qualities, excellent performance. In short, a values-based structure in which they themselves must be central participants, fully aware that their action in public space often determines the fate of families, communities, business, nations, and the larger society. To my friends, our speakers of today, you are my heroes, and as such, what inspiration would you offer to these young people aspiring to become our future leaders? As leaders yourselves, what compelling stories would you like to share with this wonderful audience? As for you, young students, I want you to know that one of the most important things you can do, regardless of where you are in life, is to make a difference in the world. Every one of us has a platform, It may be the job you have, it may be your role in the community, in your school, or even in your family. Use your platform, however large or small, to make a difference. Get ready to speak up when a voice is needed. Reach out to those in need. Strive every day to be invaluable to others. Simply put, add some value to the lives of your own people. For that to happen, I believe there is an urgent need to give to our upcoming youth the training that would prepare you for policy formulation, development, and effective leadership that will shape for the better the future of the nation. I hope this forum will help at least lay ground for that, or if anything at all, it will have helped bring together young men and women from the same country in order to develop long-lasting relationships. In any case, I wish you all a very rewarding and fruitful seminar, and I thank you for your attention.